Chapter 6, 1. Chalabi Husamu Appe Wadin Hassan, son of Muhammad, son of Hassan, son of Aqiturk, related to Esh Sheku Mukarram. On the death of Sheikh Feridun, Chalabi Husamuddin was appointed by Jalal, his assistant, in place of the deceased saint. For another 10 years, these two spiritual friends worked together in perfect unity as superior and assistant. Husam was surnamed the Junaid and the Bayezid of the age, the key of the treasuries of God's throne, the trustee of the treasures on earth, and God's next friend in the world. Now, isn't that the sort of thing that we should strive for? And certainly some people will achieve it, to be the sort of character that has been in one's own way for one's own time. Just think, if Christianity was actually about being Christ-like rather than vicarious reliance, just an occasional person here and there that was living out that example, what it would do for the world.